Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheese and mushroom omelette, and I'm starting out straight away by sauteing mushrooms. I've got loads of sliced mushrooms. Use any you like. In heaps of butter. You can use coconut oil, olive oil instead if you want, whatever you want. And you can add in some onion, garlic, leek. I'm going to crush some garlic over in a second, and add salt, pepper, any other seasoning you like to taste too. And I'm just using my handy garlic press to crush a couple of garlic cloves over and into my mushrooms to mix through so they'll be nice and garlicky. And I've actually written a full blog post with keto omelette ideas, with ideas for fillings for all kinds of veggies and cheese and all kinds of things. So check that out down below. I'll leave a link to that. And I'm just going to keep cooking these mushrooms until they're nice and reduced down and beautifully cooked. And while the mushrooms are cooking, I'm just going to see to my eggs. I've got 5 eggs and a whole lot of cream here, and we're just going to whisk it until it's smooth. Just like that, and now the omelette will be ready to go once the mushrooms have cooked. And my mushroom filling is pretty much done. It smells so wonderful with the garlic, and it's just such a wonderful filling for an omelette. So I'm going to move this off into a bowl and pop my egg in. So I've moved the mushrooms into a bowl, I've cleaned out the frying pan and popped the egg mixture in, and it's just a matter of making an omelette now. I like to move the inside out, the outside in, until it's all nice and evenly distributed, and then we'll fill it back up with our mushrooms. And now it's perfectly set and ready to be filled with mushrooms and cheese. And the mushrooms and cheese are in there. We've got beautiful filling piled high, and now I'm just going to very gently fold the omelette over. Broken the omelette in half just to make it easy to manage, and each half is folded over and filled with all of the mushrooms, and it's just so yum. And they're done. Beautiful overfilling mushrooms omelette, beautiful with cheese and garlic, and so good. So that is the video for today for these beautiful omelettes. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this lovely recipe a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post where I'll have loads more ideas for keto omelette fillings. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.